Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our next Facebook Live class project. This is the Pickwick drop front box and album set, and I've decorated mine in papers from the Alice collection by Stamperia. But the purpose of the class is for you to make the basic project and use papers from your stash and decorate them to suit your own taste. So in the class, we take some basic supplies: chipboard, card, acetate, craft magnets, our signature black construction tape, a few tabs, and then whatever else you've got in your stash, including papers. And when we cut everything out and we put it all together in the live classes, this is what you end up with. So the techniques in this class are how to create a three-sided lid on a box, how to build a box as well, and make this lovely three-sided lid and drop front box. So the box itself measures 8.5 tall by 7.5 wide by 3.25 deep. I've got little metal feet on mine. And then inside is this fun folio album. Let's just pull it out. And the album measures 7 inches wide by 8 inches tall by 2.5 inches deep. So you learn how to put the albums together with my signature black construction tape, and then make this fun 4-page album with expanding sections front and back to add in a fun little photo book. I haven't decorated the inside of this, but you can add as many pages in as you like, and that sits in that little expandable holder that you can undo, and it stretches to accommodate something perhaps a little bulkier than a few tags or photos. And then let's just do that up, or maybe not. And then it's repeated at the back, but we've got a little zigzag album in the back of this album, and a fun little belly band closure that comes off to allow you to fill up this fun little album with your photos. So we'll be making that in the class as well, and then it fits back onto its little doer-upper, which will expand as you fill that up, and that sits in this expanding folder at the back, or holder. And then the album itself has got 4 pages. They're all the same, but they look different. And I'll show you how to put magnetic closures on, or to tie the pages up with ribbons. And they open out, and they have a little holder to slot things in that can be added or not added. And of course you can use fun paper clips to hold your pictures onto the pages, which is always a great way to include pictures that you can then take out. So we've got the pages go in back to back in different ways to create different elements and focal areas. So we've got 2 little pockets at the bottom here, and then a lovely centrefold with that gorgeous floral paper. I used 2 8x8 Alice pads and 1 12x12 to get the papers to decorate this project. We've got a policy envelope on the front here, little pocket on the front there. So lots of tuck spots. We've got a nice band that you can pop things under. So all of these techniques on how to create these different page looks are included in the class. The class is 2 2-hour live sessions, but it's also available to watch if you're not able to make the class. You can just follow along with the videos after the event. So if you love the project and you'd like to make it, then follow the link below, and that will take you to the page on our website. you'll find more information out, and you'll be able to see all of our other Facebook Live classes that are available too. So that is the Pickwick drop front box and album set. Facebook Live class number 16. I hope you can join us.